Hey, this is Max with Beach Life Income. I want to explain why affiliate income is better than other types of income and what are the advantages of affiliate marketing. And one of the advantages is you don't have to sell a product. That's a big advantage. I used to sell on eBay, and one of the things that you have to do is you have to not only find a product to sell, source a product, but you also have to, once you sell it, you have to pack it up and ship it. And that's a big problem. Then there's a third problem. The third problem is, guess what? People return stuff. So then you have to take it back and back out the transactions and all this other stuff. It's a pain. In affiliate marketing, there's none of that. Another advantage of affiliate marketing is I don't have to deal with customer complaints. So what happens is I pass them on to something else, right? And someone else is selling a product or a service or giving them an ebook and handling all the transactions. Even if they return it, yes, my affiliate income goes away because they return the product and I don't get the commission, but I didn't have to deal with that headache. That's huge. I don't want to have to constantly work. I want to be at the beach. That's why I have Beach Life Income, because I want to be at the beach. I love the beach. I love to travel. I love to do things. I love to sleep. I love not having to worry. So let's not worry. Let's put somebody on another website, let them buy a product or a service or an ebook or whatever it is they're going to buy. And I don't want to have to deal with that anymore, right? But I want to also give them good products. So I don't want to just send them to any kind of site or website or buy any kind of information product unless it's a good one, right? So let's be cautious about that as well. So the other thing about affiliate marketing that's great is you can set something up and make money for years to come. And I've done that. I have created websites, especially membership websites and other kinds. But I've set up websites where I'm making money. And yeah, it took some work at the beginning. Yeah, I had to go through some struggles. And yeah, I had to put some work in. Well, guess what? If you're going to a job every single week of your life, yeah, you're putting work in and getting something in return. So why not put some work in something that's going to pay off for a long, long time, possibly? And that's what I do. I create something and I still make money. There's websites I even forgot about that still pay my accounts, whether it's some AdSense account or some Amazon account or whatever I'm pushing, or ClickBank or whatever it is. I still make money. That's one of the tremendous advantages. You put in some work, you get it started. Yeah, you get it started. And then guess what? You make money if you do things right. And if you didn't on that particular one and not enough that met your particular goals, go create another type of product. Go create another type of affiliate income stream. Just keep creating them. Keep creating. Keep creating. I'm going to give you an example. If we look down below here in our computer of a YouTube channel. And in this YouTube channel, this person, I'm not sure why they stopped, but they have 273,000 subscribers, or two people. That's huge. That's a large channel. But I want you to see something. I'm on currently, I just pulled this up. Their uploads, which is the best way to find out what's going on their site and when they last posted. So their uploads, if you go over here to sort by, you can see most popular, date added, and date added newest versus oldest. And right now we are on the newest category. And so the last one that they posted was a year ago. They must be doing something else. They either started another channel or got so popular they're doing something else. But guess what? This channel is still making them money. Why do I know that? Because people keep viewing these videos. They only have a few, and yet people still are watching these videos. And if someone's watching these videos, and I'm not sure what they were pushing back then, let's go take a look and see. So I'm going to put that on pause there. Looks like some kind of jawline lift. So they've got a contact here. So they weren't pushing anything in particular other than this Lift MD. So that's where they're going with this. So somehow, some way, they're making money off of this non-surgical jawline recontouring. piece, possibly. I don't know it for sure. But the point is, they're still making money. And guess what? I know they're still making money if they own this channel because this ad came up. And they're making money off of ad revenue on YouTube. And that can be substantial still, even though they have not created any more videos. So do you understand the advantages? Affiliate marketing is superior to most other types of income generation. If you want to build something, put it out there, leave it alone, and still make money. Affiliate income gives you that possibility. So let's get started and move to video number 3.